and papa, that's it. I have people here in front of me.
Okay, well, all right, real quick, miss. You have your green, it get lonely sometimes. You just want to help somebody with them green card. You have your green card, miss?
You want if somebody get it?
Yeah, well, yes, I will, sometimes.
Well, I know somebody. I know somebody who wants it. Not me, but I know somebody who wants it.
So, all right, so when me come up, me can just say, I am the man who called with the green card?
No, just say, I'm talk to you on the phone. Just say that.
Okay, all right then, because he get lonely sometime, and me just want a little friend.
Come right now, me have somebody for you.
Yes, hello. Is this the restaurant we have?
Yes, darling, in the plaza, right?
Okay, beautiful. Me glad I said that. Shut him out in a little boy. All right, miss. Yesterday, me send a little dirty thinking rotten catches boy figure buy some hot tail yesterday. Him buy a large hot tail, rice and peas and cabbage because me like it cabbage. It good for the colon. And me not gonna lie to you. He food good. Me say food good. Me not gonna lie. But I have one quick question for ask you. Right?
Right.
Do you have elderly people cooking in that kitchen?
No.
Okay. Alright then. You hear that? She not right down knowing a boy. Papa, you always a deal with me. Say, shut your thinking mouth, boy, for I lick in your face. Alright, miss. So look here now, miss. So the reason why me ask you, for one, me first half I food, he tastes good as me say. The hack still he fall off of the bone. So me don't know how to do the electronic sitting them for we didn't call it review.
Right.
Me don't know how to do it. So me ain't gonna tell a little thinking boy if you do it for me. Okay, so when I go so now, miss, when I go so one, me name about half of food and bite up a hack tail. Me looking at rice to rock a foot, me see like one piece of chip teeth. So me I wonder if, I swear to God, so me wonder if the hack tail bone broke my teeth and hit dropping at the pot or something because me no understand how chip teeth na me food. So me think that you could thinking fractal boy, you know, I can ramp with the food. And he said, he not touch it from no lucky bag, him not touch it, he just bring it and drop it right in my lap.
So how far you live? Take that with him. How far you live?
Listen, me live boy every minute. He said, where you say on the GPS? He said the GPS about every minute. Right? And if tell you the truth, me not gonna lie to you, you know, miss. Me.
We have customer papa, that's it. I have people here in front of me.
Okay, well, all right, real quick, miss. You have your green, it get lonely sometimes. You just want to help somebody with them green card. You have your green card, miss?
You want if somebody get it?
Yeah, well, yes, I will, sometime.
Well, I know somebody who wants it. Not me, but I know somebody who wants it.
So, all right, so when me come up, me can just say, I am the man who called with the green card?
No, just say, I'm talk to you on the phone. Just say that.
Okay, all right then, because he get lonely sometime, and I just want a little friend.
Come right now, me have somebody for you.
Okay,
Ready.
all right, miss, thank you. All right,
all right.
thank you, miss.